कर दिया मैंने लाइव. Good morning, students. Good morning, students. Yes, Ayam has come. Good morning, Ayam. Ayam has come. Good morning, Ayam. Today's topic is algebraic expressions. Okay, today we'll be doing the conceptual part as well as the. Okay, today we'll be doing the conceptual part as well as. इसके बाद कम करो. यही रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है. All the conceptual things as well as the practice sum. Today we will be completely doing that sum chapter also. Let us start in few minutes. Keep your notebook, pen, pencil, everything with you. स्क्रीन पे क्लिक करो तो ताकि बोर्ड क्लियर रहे. So let us start with the today's topic. Our topic is algebraic expression. Now I'll give you brief introductions from where it has come. In mathematics, you know all these are natural numbers, right? As well as we call them counting numbers. Why do we call them counting numbers? Because whenever we have to count any of the number of things, we always start with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we always start with 1. That is why these numbers are also called as counting numbers. Now apart from that, English alphabets. How many do we have? 26 English alphabets. In mathematics, when we use numbers along with English alphabets, both the things together, that branch of mathematics is called algebra. Okay. Whichever thing we have to find, unknown thing. So what we consider, let that unknown thing be x. Suppose you are having, this is 1x, and how many times x is this? 4 times x. That is why it is written as 4x. 4 times x. Times means multiplication. 4 times x. If it is like this, how many times x is there? 4 times. How many times y is there? 2 times. So it will become 4x plus 2y. 4 times x, 2 times y. This is algebra. Now, in this, let us take a number 7x. Suppose x can be anything. It is a variable, it can change. You can put x as 1, x as 2, x as 3, x as 4, x as 100 or 500, 1000, any. X can change the value, that is why it is called variable. X, Y, Z, it can be 11Y also, 21Z also. X can change the value as many times, that is why it is called variable. And the number which is written at the front is called coefficient. This is 7x. 7 is the coefficient, x is the variable. If a number is written along with the plus sign also, single digit number or 2 digit number without a variable, yes. Good morning Shalini, and good morning, this name I don't know. Okay, very good morning. Continuing with the topic. See, the number 5, okay, it is not having any variable, that is why this is called constant. 5 will remain 5, it will not change, it is fixed, that is why it is called variable. Okay, Anushruti has joined. Good morning Anushruti. Revise the things. The variable can change the values, that is why it is called variable. The alphabet x, y, z, m, n, p, q, r, n, it can be 11p plus 5x plus 10. What is the variable here? P is also a variable, x is also a variable. These two are variables. 11 is written in front of p. That is why it is called coefficient. The number, numerical expression, or the number or the integer, whatever you say, it can be negative also, minus 11p. That is called coefficient. Here 5 is written in front of x. It is also coefficient of x. Minus 11 is the coefficient of p. 10 is not having any variable, so 10 is called constant. Okay. This much is clear, basic things. Now, this same concept can be utilized as x square plus x square plus x square plus x square. How many times x square is written? 4 times. So it becomes 4x square, x raised to the power 4. And here raised to the power is called exponent, you can say, or power you can say, right? This we have done in the chapter of exponents and powers. In multiplication, this was the concept of addition, when a same variable is being multiplied repeatedly. How many times m is multiplied? 5 times m is multiplied. Repeated multiplication. So it becomes 5m raised to the power 5. This is repeated multiplication which we have done in exponents and powers. Repeated multiplication, and this is what? Repeated addition. In addition, when it is repeated addition, we write 4x. 4 times x is written. In repeated multiplication, as many times variable is coming, that much is the power of the variable. M is coming 5 times, multiplied 5 times, so it becomes m raised to the power 5. So the power is called, either you can call it exponent or power. So I think introduction is clear to you. What are the all things? I am just revising. Unknown thing which you have to find. Anything which is not known to you, we represent it by a alphabet which is called variable. First thing. The number written in front of the variable is called coefficient. The number which is not having any variable, it is constant. 5 will remain 5 only. And raised to the power is called exponent or power, we can say. So 4 are the basic things. Let us continue further. I hope it is clear. If it is clear, please write down. You can write in the chat, yes ma'am, clear. Then I'll rub the board and we'll go ahead. Shalini, yes ma'am, okay, I am. Anushruti, okay. So going further. Variable can be any x, y, z, t, u, p, m, n. Any you can take, but yes, we avoid to take o because o may be confused with 0. Okay. Constant can also be positive, can be negative, can be a fraction. Any can be constant. 11, 7, minus 21, minus 3 upon 5. 100. Constant can be any. Now constant and variable, both, when we use together along with the are 4 fundamental operations of mathematics. Which are the 4 fundamental operations? Plus, minus, multiply, divide, right? When we use these variables and constant along with the 4 fundamental operations, then they gives us equations, then they give us expressions. See how? 2x plus 5, this is the one expression. It is not an equation. There is a minute difference between equation and expression. This is expression, 2x plus 5. When in this expression we put equals to sign and this expression is equals to something, then it becomes equation because there is a equals to sign here and both the side, left hand side and right hand side, are we are equating them, that yes, 2x plus 5 is equals to 10. In your course, you are having only expression, that is why equals to sign is not used. So I hope this little bit very important concept is clear. When it is without equals to sign, it is called expression. When it is with equals to sign, then it becomes equation. Okay. Plus and minus sign make the terms different. This is one term, 2x, 2 times x is one term, 5 is the second term. So this expression is having two terms. Take more examples. Let us take 5y plus 2x square plus 10. Terms differentiate with the help of sign plus minus only. In multiplication, 5y means 5 times y. This is one term. 2x square, this is second term. Plus 10, this is third term. So this expression is having 3 terms. If we have only 11x, 11 times x, 11x, this is having one term, only this. There is no plus sign or minus sign. Plus or minus sign separates the terms. See next. You have 11y plus 20. 11y is one term, plus 20 is second term. It is having two terms. So first understand what are the terms. Plus minus sign separates the term. जो multiplication में है that is one combined. 11y is one term. आप उसको अलग नहीं करोगे कि 11 एक term हो गया और y अलग term हो गया. No. Multiplication makes one term. Plus minus sign separates the term. एक और देखो. 4y square plus we can say 2xy plus 11x plus 21. Now how many terms are there? One term, two term, three terms, four terms. This expression is having 4 terms. Now this is classification. Now we are doing classification of expression on the basis of term. When it is having only one term, that is called monomial. Name, its name beta. My name is Alka, your name is Ayam, Shalini, Anushruti, right? Same ways the name of the one term expression is monomial. Writing it again. Now, expression having two terms is named as binomial. Expression having three terms is known as trinomial. Keep on writing along with me. The expression having 4 terms is called quadrinomial. These questions can be asked under fill in the blanks or under match the followings or your MCQs. So 1 marks question can be easily asked out of these. This is the classification of expression on the basis of terms. Shalini is asking, ma'am, through one term can we find equation? Expression having 4 terms is called quadrinomial. Yeah. 3. Yeah, it can be one term can also be equation. You write 5x is equal to 10. If it is only 5x, it is a monomial. If it becomes 5x is equal to 10, it is an equation. For you can find the value of x. 5 will go down. It becomes 10 upon 5 gives us 2. Value of x you can find out here, which you can solve completely and get the value of one variable by using equating sign. Yes, it is an equation. Clear, Shalini? Children, your doubts you can write here. Okay. I'll be solving them parallelly. So note down this. This is the classification of expression on the basis of terms. Monomial, binomial, trinomial, then quadrinomial. And the expression which is having terms more than 4. Let us take 2x square plus 4y plus 3xy plus let us take 11y square plus 22. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the expression having more than 4 terms is known as polynomial. It's a common term now. Having 5 terms, having 6 terms, having 7 terms, having 10 terms, all are polynomial, comes under polynomial. Now this is the wider term. One term, monomial, 2 terms, binomial, 3 terms, trinomial, 4 terms, quadrinomial, and more than that, it gives us polynomial. Once you write this all, let me know. Written, shall I rub? Okay, Shalvi has message. Rishita, was that you? Rishita? Now next concept which we are going to study is like and unlike terms. Okay. See the expression here, 7x minus 11x minus 3 upon 5x minus, or let us take 21 upon 7x, 100x. What common thing are you observing in these all monomials? These all are monomials, single term. What common thing are you observing in this first one? You have to tell me that. Quickly answer. Yes, correct. All are having same variable x, 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 x. Whatever is the coefficient, it does not matter. All the terms having same variable are called like terms. These are like terms. Yes, correct. See next, if it is 7x, 11y minus 11 upon 2z, let us take 4m, then 3xy. These all are having different variables. So they are termed as not having same variable. Yeah, correct, Anushruti. So these all are unlike terms. All are having different variables, so they are called unlike terms. Which are having same variable, they are called like terms. Writing some of the expressions here, you have to find out the like terms out of that. These are the 4 terms I have written on the board. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms. Out of these 4 terms, tell me which are the like terms. Find the like terms out of these. 4 monomials. Okay, Shalini is saying first and fourth, and second also. Anybody else? Children, see, 8x square is having variable x square. Minus 11x square is also having variable x square. These two are like terms out of these four. 2x won't be counted. X is single term. Here x square. These two are like terms. 8x square and minus 11x square are the like terms. Again, revise. The terms having same variable are the like terms. Power should also be same. Okay, then you do another question. Again, there are four terms, four expressions given. Now tell me, out of these four, 1, 2, 3, 4, which are the like terms? See, xy if we say or yx we say, both are same. In multiplication, order of the number does not change the answer, right? It remains the same. So xy ho ya yx ho, both are same. So they will be considered under like terms. Okay, first and second. Okay, I am saying first and second. Anyone else? First, second and third. Anushruti. Okay, see, x square y, both are same. So yes, these two are like terms. In the third expression, we are having x, y square. X is single, but here x is double, x square, x raised to the power 2. So first and second are the like terms here. Correct answer, Ayam and Shalini. Anushruti, third won't be counted, beta, because x is having one power here and y is having 2. However, it is not in the first two. So I hope the concept of like and unlike terms is clear. All the expressions having same variable. If it is written like this, minus x square y and second term is 3yx square, then also both will come in same like terms. क्योंकि इसको उल्टा करके लिखा है, सिर्फ x square y को yx square लिखा है, but both are same. In multiplication, order of numbers does not make the difference. 2 5s are 10 karo ya 5 2s are 10 karo. Both are same. Same ways, these two are also like terms. Note down this much, then I will rub the board. Like unlike term is done. Any doubt, then you can write down here. Next, we are going to do degree of the expression. Degree of the polynomial. Okay, I am rubbing. heading, everyone. Next topic is degree of polynomial. It is very interesting. See, I am taking a very easy example. If you are having an expression 5x, second expression 5x square, 5x cube, 5x raised to the power 4, all are monomial single term. What is the power here? For first term 5x, there is nothing written, so it is 1. 5x raised to the power 1. 5x raised to the power 1. Now what is the degree? Whatever is the highest degree of a variable, that will be the degree of polynomial. Here degree is 1. Here degree is 2. Here degree is 3. And in the next degree is 4. Highest power of a variable is the degree of the polynomial. Now see next. This was the monomial only. Let us take more number of terms. You are having 2x square plus 5y plus 11. What is the degree of this polynomial? Here x is having power 2, y is having power 1. It is written y one time, so y is having power 1. And constant is not having any unit, sorry. What do we call degree? Variable. Highest power is 2. X is less than 2. So degree of this polynomial is 2. Okay. नेक्स्ट टर्म देखो 3xy square plus 6xy plus 7x. This is your polynomial. Highest power you have to find. Check out. X is having power 1. Y is having power 2. So technically the total power of 3xy square is total 3. 6xy, x raised to the power 1, y raised to the power 1. This is an example.